Meaning of goulash.
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 Goulash. Goulash is a traditional Hungarian stew that typically consists of beef or pork, onions, paprika, and other seasonings. The dish originated as a popular meal for cowboys in the 9th century, who would cook it over an open fire for hours until the meat was tender. Today, goulash is enjoyed throughout Europe and North America, with many variations including the addition of vegetables like potatoes and carrots. The stew is known for its rich, savory flavor and hearty texture, making it a satisfying and comforting meal for any occasion. Overall, goulash is a delicious and beloved culinary classic.